Hello students! Today we'll be learning about context clues by reading the Polar Express book in the classroom. The goal of what I have in this reading lesson is that students will be able to understand context clues and also be able to apply their knowledge of context clues into their reading skills in the classroom. Before starting the lesson, I want to introduce the concept of context clues. What is a context clue? A context clue is the information around a word that you can use to determine its meaning. Context clues are hints that the reader can use to figure out what a word means. I want everyone to get with a reading partner and figure out the words found underlined in these passages by using context clues. Passage number 1. This quote is from page 1 in the book. I lay quietly in my bed. I did not rustle the sheets. I breathed slowly and silently. What do you think the word rustle means in the sentence? Please talk to your reading partner and discuss the sentence with them. What clues did you find in the sentence to help you figure out the meaning of the underlined word? Explain why. Passage number 2. This quote is from page 11 in the book. They look like the lights of a strange ocean liner, sailing on a frozen sea. What do you think the word ocean liner means in the sentence? Discuss the sentence with your reading partner. What clues did you find in the sentence to help you figure out the meaning of the underlined word? Explain why. Passage number 3. This quote is from page 17 in the book. They pranced and paced, ringing the silver bells that hung from their harnesses. What do you think the word harnesses means in the sentence? Discuss the sentence with your reading partner. What clues did you find in the sentence to help you figure out the meaning of the underlined word? Explain why. Passage number 4. This quote is from page 24 in the book. But the train gave a sudden lurch and started moving. We were on our way home. What do you think the word lurch means in the sentence? Discuss the sentence with your reading partner. What clues did you find in the sentence to help you figure out the meaning of the underlined word? Explain why. Passage number 5. This quote is from page 26 in the book. The train let out a loud blast from its whistle and sped away. What do you think the word blast means in the sentence? Discuss the sentence with your reading partner. What clues did you find in the sentence to help you figure out the meaning of the underlined word? Explain why. Passage number 6. This quote is from page 27 in the book. When I shaken the bell, my parents had not heard a sound. What do you think the word shaken means in the sentence? Discuss the sentence with your reading partner. What clues did you find in the sentence to help you figure out the meaning of the underlined word? Explain why. Here is the graphic organizer that I want the students to complete with their reading partners. Word, rustle, context clues, crackle and crunch, meaning the sound that leaves, papers, or clothing make as they rub against each other. Word, ocean liner, context clues, boat, frozen sea, and sailing, meaning a large commercial ship that carries passengers on a regular schedule. Word, harnesses, context clues, prance, pace, ringing the silver bells, and reindeer, meaning a set of straps by which an animal is attached to a cart, carriage, or plow. The harnesses are used to control and guide the animal. Word, lurch, context clues, pitch, sway, and rock, meaning a sudden movement. Word, blast, context clues, loud, bang, smash, and pop, meaning a loud explosion sound. Word, shaken, context clues, bell and heard a sound, meaning to move sometimes violently back and forth or up and down with short, quick movements. I want the students to know that there's no right or wrong answers on completing this graphic organizer because we will be going over it as a whole class. You will have many opportunities to fix the graphic organizer in class. The students will be watching the Study Island video on context clues independently at the computer lab. This will give them more practice on using context clues in their reading. After watching the video, then they will complete a worksheet by writing a letter to Santa by explaining why they want Santa to pick me. This will give them practice on how to write a letter to Santa and also be able to use their context clues in their reading. Here's the link for the Study Island video on context clues. Here's the link for the Polar Express context clues worksheet. This is the writing rubric that I would use to grade my students' letters to Santa. Here are the internet resources that I used in my photo story.